Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Tackling Specimen Paper 2, Question 2 or 3, Cambridge IGCSE, First Language English, Writing, Examination from 2027. This tutorial includes a step-by-step guidance on composition, focusing on descriptive writing. The most commonly discussed slogan when it comes to descriptive writing is "Don't tell, but show." Watch the video until the end without skipping any parts to gain a comprehensive understanding. If you find the tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, click the bell button to be notified when a new video is released. From section B composition in question 2 or 3, you are expected to use the title to develop and write a description. Read the question carefully and make sure you understand what it is asking. Breaking down the writing prompt is beneficial for understanding the task. What style of writing are you creating? Description. The topic of the description is the street as it was in the past and as it is now. Remember to stay within the word limit. This question tests writing assessment objectives, which assess students' ability to articulate and organize ideas and use vocabulary, structure, and language appropriately for a specific purpose. Most importantly, remember the slogan, "Don't tell, but show." Let me remind you again that the topic of the description is the street as it was in the past and as it is now. Take note of the descriptive writing techniques: sensory imagery, descriptive vocabulary, and figurative language. Your response should begin with an introduction that addresses the topic of description. Each body paragraph should begin with the topic sentence that reflects the focus and introduces a descriptive technique. Paragraph 1 should focus sensory imagery, providing descriptive sentence examples for each of the 5 types: visual, auditory, tactile, olfactory, and gustatory. Paragraph 2 should focus on descriptive vocabulary, providing sentence examples that include at least 5 types of adjectives: shape, size, appearance, color, and quantity. Paragraph 3 should focus on figurative language, providing descriptive sentence examples that include the basic figures of speech, simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, and alliteration. Your response should end with a conclusion that reflects the topic of description. Let's begin with body paragraph 1. Combine the visual adjective cluttered with the noun vehicles and sophisticated with the shop fronts to create visual imagery describing the street as it was in the past and as it is now. Combine the sound adjective honking with the noun horns and buzzing with the traffic to create auditory imagery describing the street. Combine the touch adjective rough with the noun roads and smooth with the pavements to create tactile imagery describing the street. Combine the smell adjective rotten with the noun vegetables and fragrant with perfumes to create olfactory imagery describing the street. Combine the taste adjective sweet with the noun sugarcane juice and savory with the street food to create gustatory imagery describing the street. Your response to body paragraph 1 should be structured as follows: a topic sentence that addresses the topic of description, 1 descriptive sentence example for each of the imagery types: visual, auditory, tactile, olfactory, and gustatory. Let's begin with body paragraph 2. Combine the shape adjective narrow with the noun lane and wide with road to describe the shape of the street in the past and present. Combine the size adjective tiny with the noun stalls and towering with the high rises to describe the size of the buildings along the street. Combine the appearance adjective unfainted with the noun walls and living with the canvas to describe the appearance of the street. Combine the color adjective dark with the noun shadows and gleaming with lights to describe the color of the street. Combine the quantity adjective limited with the noun sellers and abundant with buyers to describe the level of activity on the street. Your response to body paragraph 2 should be structured as follows. A topic sentence that addresses the topic of description. One descriptive sentence example for each of the adjective types: shape, size, appearance, color, and quantity. Let's begin with body paragraph 3. Use a simile to compare the street in the past and present. Indirectly compare the people's rush with the cattle set free, and contrast this with the present by comparing the poised walk to a beauty pageant. Use a metaphor to compare the street then and now. Directly compare the crowded avenue to an urban jungle, and contrast this with the present by comparing the people's energy to a living artery. Use personification to personify the wind in the street then and now. Ascribe the human quality of whispering secrets to the cold wind, and contrast this with the present by giving the hot wind the human action of brushing shoulders. Use hyperbole to exaggerate the human voice in the street then and now. Describe the clamor of the crowd as thunder, and contrast this with the present by portraying a soft whisper as an echo. Use alliteration to describe the use of bicycles in the street then and now. Create repeated initial sounds such as perennial peddlers practicing persuasion, and contrast this with the present through silver scooters sliding swiftly. Your response to body paragraph 3 should be structured as follows. A topic sentence that addresses the topic of description. One descriptive sentence example for each of the basic figures of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, and alliteration. The final draft of your description should appear as follows. Examiners use the following marking criteria, which tests the writing standards W1 and W2 to award a mark out of 16, 8 marks for content and 8 for structure. Examiners also use the following marking criteria, which tests writing standards W3, W4, and W5 to award a mark out of 24, 12 marks for style and 12 for accuracy. That's it for now. Thanks for learning tomorrow's lessons today. If you have not watched my previous video on question 1, please do so to gain a comprehensive understanding of the IGCSE Cambridge Writing Paper 2. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Click the bell button to be notified when a new video is released. Let's keep learning together.